Today is June 6, 2010. It's Michelle's birthday. And we're at Chancey, and Hayden learned to swim last night, so we're gonna see if she can do it tonight. Hayden, say happy birthday, Mom. See? Hayden can swim with her floaties. Hayden, look at Daddy. Can you say happy birthday, Mom? Say I love you. Do you love to swim? Bye-bye. You done already? Don't let her take too big a steps. Hayden, do you love it? Help her. You like Daddy in the water? But Daddy's filming, honey. I cannot film and be in the water. Here's where you need to help her when she's on the steps. She's going to just walk. Careful, Hayden. Okay, swim to Hannah. Hayden, swim to Hannah. Paddle. You need to paddle. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Daddy's filming, honey.
Daddy, come on.
I cannot film and swim at the same time. She swallows some water. Hayden Grace. Hayden, what do you want to say to Mama on her birthday?
Say happy birthday. Daddy,
All right, she needs a break. Take her to the steps really quick. She's getting tired. Hayden, do you love your swimsuit? How's the water, Hayden? Is the water nice? Careful, baby. Good girl. Hayden. Hayden, can you say goodbye, everybody? Next time, come swim with me. Can you say that, Hayden? Hayden, can you say next time, come swim with me? Wait, Hayden, can you say next time, come swim with me? I love you.
I love you.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good girl.